In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Eightcap to TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to TradingView.com and you want to sign into your account. After you've done that, go to Products, hover over it, and click on Super Charts up here. Now, once you are inside their super charts over here, this is when you can then connect the 8-cap. So what you're going to have to do is down here at the bottom, you can see a few things. You want to click on the fourth one, which says trading panel over here. You want to make this a bit bigger like that. And then over here inside all the different brokers that are trusted by TradingView, you should be able to see 8-cap up here. If you don't see it, click on all brokers and just find it on the list over here. Now, after you're ready, click on 8-cap over here, and then you're going to have to sign in with your 8-cap username and password, and then you can just click on the connect button over here, and you will successfully be connected to TradingView with your 8-cap account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.